The best apps for creating YouTube thumbnails in 2021. Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Before we start our video, let's look at the definition of thumbnails. So, a thumbnail in YouTube context is an image that is shown as a cover of the video, giving you an idea what the video is all about. Good thumbnails are essential to one's success in YouTube, as they are the first impression of your channel. There are many apps that can be used to create thumbnails. In this video, we are going to look at the top 5 best apps for thumbnail creation in 2021. The following apps can be used on Android smartphones, iPhones or on PCs. Without further ado, let's go straight to the video. The first app in our list is PicMonkey. PicMonkey is one of the easiest apps that you can use to create thumbnails. PicMonkey, an online photo editing and design service that can be accessed from either a web browser or through a mobile app. It is super easy to use. You just have to download the app, set the aspect ratio, and then you can start creating your thumbnail. The best thing about this app is super light, and it can run smoothly on most smartphones. The second app is Snapseed. Snapseed is one of the most famous apps for thumbnail creation, and I highly recommend it if you have just began on YouTube or you're looking for a simple app to create your thumbnails. Snapseed is a free app, and you can easily get it on the Google Play Store or App Store. If you want to create a thumbnail through Snapseed, all you have to do is download the app from either the App Store or Play Store, then open the app, then after that, press the plus button which you see in the middle of your interface. It will take you into your smartphone gallery. There you'll have to select a photo that you want to use for your thumbnail. You can edit the photo by adding effects, texts, increase or decrease saturation and etc. The third app in our list is Canvas. Canvas is arguably the best app for photo editing. The app is a template-based system, and has 2 versions, which are the free version and paid version. There is nothing to worry about, as the free version has a lot of features that you can use for free. Canvas is available in all major platforms, and also through its website canvas.com. How to use the app? Is simple. You just have to open the app after finishing your download. Select a particular template that you would like to use, add text, font, change font color, edit it in any way you would like it to appear in your thumbnail. In my own opinion, this is the best app for somebody who has just started in YouTube, as it has a lot of features and it is quite a strong app. I have a video coming soon, guiding you step to step on how to use this app to create thumbnails. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turning on notifications so that you don't miss this video. The next app which we are going to look at is InShot. InShot is probably the most powerful, all-round app that you can have on your smartphone as a content creator. InShot is a free video editor, photo editor that lets you easily create YouTube thumbnails. The fourth app in our list, InShot also supports editing of vertical videos that can be used on IGTV and YouTube Shorts. This app is a powerhouse and can easily help you perform all of your editing activities through your smartphone. InShot comes with some wonderful fonts, emojis, filters and many other effects. The app is available for free in all major platforms. This app is a powerhouse and can easily help you perform all of your editing activities through your smartphone. InShot comes with some wonderful fonts, emojis, filters and many other effects. The app is available for free in all major platforms. Last but definitely not least, is Adobe Spark. The fifth on our list, Adobe Spark, is an online and mobile design app. This app can easily create stunning social graphics and short videos that can easily make you stand out among other content creators. Adobe Spark lets you turn your text and photos into a professional-looking, attention-getting graphic by just a few clicks. To create thumbnails using Adobe Spark, all you have to do is go through your browser and search Adobe Spark, and then click the Sign In option. Then it will give you a couple options like signing up by using your Gmail account, Facebook account, Apple ID, and etc. Click in your preferred option, then the app's website will take you to the next stage. The app will then require you to accept its terms, then press Next. Depending on your internet speed, you may have to wait for a few seconds. Then after that, you will be asked what are you using the app for. Here you have to select 3 options of the 5 that are available, so that you could be able to move to the next stage. Soon after selecting aspect ratio, then you can start editing your thumbnail. Using Adobe Spark is a fun, fast and easy way to create stunning graphics for any occasion, without any graphics design skills. The app has 2 versions, free version and the paid version. The free version comes with dozens of templates, designs, effects, fonts that you can use to create thumbnails for free. That's all that we have for today. Thank you for watching this video, and please do not forget to like and sharing this video with your friends and family, also giving us your comments about this video.